How to give yourself an at-home lymphatic drainage massage with a facial roller. On clean skin, add a couple drops of your favorite Pure Radiance oil. Warm the oil in your hands and then gently press it all over the face and neck. You're going to start by doing all of your movements on one side of the face. Always start your lymphatic drainage massage on the neck. You have many drainage points on the clavicle and behind the ear. Start by rolling on one side of the neck upwards. Go over each section 3 to 5 times. As you move up the face, always start at the midline, working out towards your hairline. Rolling under the jaw helps to clear the lymph that you pushed up from the neck and helps to clear the stagnation that can cause double chins. Rolling behind the ear like this helps to push the lymphatic fluid towards drainage points on the clavicle and behind the ear. Continue to work up the face, always starting at the midline and working towards your hairline. When giving yourself a lymphatic drainage massage with a roller, use very light pressure. You shouldn't feel like you're giving yourself a real facial massage, but you might notice some pinkness in the skin as this is also helping to stimulate circulation. Roll directly over your lips to help prevent lip lines and help to plump the appearance of your lips. As you work up the face, make sure that you're not tugging on your skin and really using that other hand to support your skin so it's not being pulled. As I did below the jaw, I'm clearing the lymphatic fluid behind the ear down to the clavicle. As you get closer to the eye area, make sure that you're not tugging and your pressure is very light since the skin around the eyes is very delicate. Use the smaller roller to get closer to the under eye area. You can focus a little bit more time on any of the areas that you find more puffiness or more wrinkling, especially around the brow is where we hold a lot of tension. So you can spend a little bit more time here and put slightly more pressure. Moving onto the forehead, go from the brow bone to the hairline to push the lymphatic fluid upwards. To finish this side, follow your hairline all the way down to the clavicle to help clear the lymphatic fluid that you have pushed there. Before repeating all the steps on the other side, notice the lifted and more sculpted appearance of the side you just completed.